Let's get it. I recorded 2 videos last night. Did you check them out? It was pretty decent. Did you see our trophy system one? Oh, you were in that game? Oh, nice. What was this? You didn't feel like having the diamond camo on this game? I said you didn't feel like having the diamond camo on this game? Go for a, are you a good sniper? Shotgun? You like shotguns? Alright, if you, whatever one you like better, shotguns or snipers, try to get a shotgun nuclear. Alright, well try to get me one rushing around. I've been trying to get one. I was, dude, you should have seen, dude. I even put it in one of my posts. I think I put it in the post yesterday. If you saw me, I put host migration. Dude, yesterday I was playing for 4 hours straight last night trying to get a good sniping gameplay, like a good sniping montage, and trying to get a nuclear. I was on a 25 with a sniper. I've never been that close, dude, because I'm not that great of a sniper. And a host migration came, so it didn't save the video. Dude, I was so mad. Like, at the very end of the game, they all just left, because I put in my streaks at the very end of the game. I was so mad, dude. And I got a couple other good close nuclears with my AN, and a lot of but dude, I got literally like 20 host migrations in a row last night. I could not catch a break. Yeah, you're good. Yeah. You get the nuke the first round? I said you get the nuke the first round? Yeah. I think you get the nuke this round. Huh. That guy ran right by you. Ooh. That's close. Last, yeah, there it is. That kid got turned on. The Scar was a beast, dude. My 2 favorite guns, the AN and the Scar. And I don't know, the MSMC is close to the AN, but I definitely like the Scar. Because the Scar's, I got used to the Scar from MW3, and on this game it's just as good. Yeah, it's one of the most OP in the game. But if you played it with it on MW3, dude, Specialist, I think it was better with Specialist. Like, it was just, yeah, it was like unfair with Specialist on MW3. Yeah, they count towards your streak, right? That orbital visa. You should have ran the counter, dude. You probably could have got double nuclear. Yeah, but you probably could have got one at the very beginning of the game when you died on that streak. You probably could have got one if you had counters up. Because the helicopter was loud. I'm just saying that's my main setup when I'm going for nuclears. I mean, that's mainly like everybody's setup when they're going for nuclears, because then you can actually count your kills. Like me, I'm always if I'm using my like assault, I never get like assault streak nuclears, because like, you know how you get like nervous when you're close to it, like you have that feeling you're close. When you're using assault streaks, dude, I've gotten like so many like 60-1 gameplays, but I wasn't even close to the nuclear, and I thought I was, because like my assault streak gave me so many kills. I like to, when I'm going for nuclears, I like to not get any kills with any assault streaks. I like to use like all support. Oh, dude, that was close. That BSAT. Dude, the other day, dude, I was 28-0. You might have been in the lobby. I was in that one big map, Turbine or something, and I just prestige. All I had was my AN with no attachments, and yeah, and I had a UAV. That was my score streak. And the worst perks, dude, I had like hardline, dexterity, and like strong, like the first 3 perks. And I was on about a 28, and I fell off the side of a cliff. I was so mad, dude. I didn't even know there was a cliff there. Like, I wasn't even running away from anybody. I was posting up against a guy, and I stepped back, and there was a cliff right there, and I jumped off it. Did you get the nuke the first game? Yeah, you already got the nuclear. Nice. 19 unstoppables. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, I know, you're on a 50 gun streak. Yeah. We should go for more gameplays today when I get back on. You getting Black Ops 3 yet? Said you getting Black Ops 3 yet? Yeah, on Xbox 360. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna probably do too. Those assists though. Yo, I had one like that last night, dude. I'm gonna upload it, dude. I joined in this game, and there was these 2 guys named FaZe No Friends and FaZe something else, and they were wrecking my team. The one guy was like 12-2, the other guy was 7-0, dude. So I played like defensively to try to get my streaks, dude. I dropped 2 warships on them and went 64-11. They were so mad after the game. Like, they ended up like 35-15 and like 40 and like 16, dude. They would have gotten like both nuclears if I wasn't in there, dude. I was the only one wrecking them. But I played so defensively, dude. I was in it. I apologize for it on the video too. I'm gonna upload it today. It's just taking forever for me to upload. $85-3. If anybody watches this video, if you guys want us to do zombies at night, we did zombies last night. We just didn't know if we should upload it because they're pretty long gameplays. If you guys want us to do zombies at night, and upload them, some clips of us doing some zombies like Origins and Town and stuff like that, then leave it in the comments. I know we don't have many people right now, but if you are a subscriber and you want to see that, then just leave it in the comments. Yeah, dude, at 3 o'clock last night we were playing zombies, and we downed this one big guy, dude. We lasted. I mean, we like to play in that Mob of the Dead map, Alcatraz. I mean, a couple of our guys. Yeah, a couple of our guys like to play that. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of it, but you know, I go along with it. It's a pretty fun map once you get a bunch of guys in there. Here comes the lag. This game is really laggy. That's the only problem. Yeah, now they're just camping. Huh. That's what I'm gonna do. Lag. It's alright. It's not that bad, actually. I was surprised nobody host migrated, did. Did you have host? It's weird. That you wrecked them. I was surprised they didn't leave. Yeah, that Mr. Lucky paid, dude. He was camping so hard to get you.
Demolition. Protect the objectives. RCXD inbound.
Overtime. Overtime. Lag. Sometimes, like in the middle of the video, they get like there's like big lag, but the first round wasn't that bad. I like Tack and Search better in WWE3 for some reason. I don't know why. They were faster to me. Now they look so fit, and especially because you can. I kind of like it how you can like make them disappear, but they're kind of OP actually if you think about it. Like you can literally spawn wherever you want and then just cancel if somebody's camping it, so literally you're not gonna get killed twice. It's kind of OP. Yo, hang on. Yo, fast forward to the end real quick. Yo, Rage. Never mind, you can just leave it. Yeah, there you go, alright. Alright, so there you go, guys. Did end up losing, but big score here for Rage. You just see him 114-10. Big game for that with a nuclear in the first round, 16-1 in the first round. Overall, great gameplay.